What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So Motorola unexpectedly cancelled the presentation of smartphones Motorola Razr 2 and Moto X30 Pro. Motorola suddenly issued a message about the cancellation of the presentation of flagship smartphones, which was supposed to take place yesterday, August 2. No reason is given for this decision. The event was expected to announce the Moto Razr 2022 clamshell device, as well as Moto X30 Pro model, the first device equipped with a camera with a 200 megapixel camera sensor. However, hours before the announcement, Chen Jin, general manager of Lenovo Mobile China, posted a message on Weibo that the presentation would not take place. I regret to inform you that Motorola's new product launch schedule for tonight has been cancelled due to certain reasons. We continue to sincerely hope to introduce new Moto products to everyone, said Mr. Jin. Alas, nothing was said about the new timing of the announcement, but we can assume that the device Moto Razr 2022 and Moto X30 Pro smartphones will still debut this month. It's unclear if these events force the Lenovo-owned brand to postpone its launch today or if there is any other reason. But all we can do right now is wait for more details from Motorola about the Razr 2022 and Moto X30 Pro launch event. According to the reports, both new items will receive a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with 8 cores up to 3.2 GHz. The Moto Razr 2022 model will be equipped with a 6.67 inches flexible display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, Full HD Plus, and a 50 megapixel main camera sensor. As for the new Moto X30 Pro smartphone, it will be equipped with a 6.73 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, as well as a triple main camera configuration of 200 megapixels plus 50 megapixels plus 12 megapixels respectively. Other phone characteristics and exact prices of these smartphones are not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.